Aloha! You're watching F5 On Demand. I'm Peter Silva, Technical Marketing Manager with F5, and we're in San Francisco for Oracle OpenWorld 2011 at the Moscone Center. And I have Ron Carovano with us. He's our Senior Business Development Manager. Thanks for joining us again,
Thank you,
Ron.
Peter. Yeah, it's good seeing you.
As always. And so today we announced the Exastack relationship with Oracle.
Yeah.
So can you tell our audience a little bit about that?
Sure, absolutely. So a couple of months ago, Oracle launched a program called Exastack Ready. And Exastack is their marketing term for their engineered systems. So the Exadata database machine, the Exalogic application server, and the recently released Exalytics BI appliance. And so in this program, the first step is the Exastack Ready program. They reached out to the ISV partners and they said, hey, we want you to join with us and go through a verification process to show that how your technology is compatible and interoperates well with Database 11G Release 2, as well as WebLogic Server 11G. And so we went through that process, we provided the documentation we needed to do, and we earned that credential. Now, with that, they've also launched another phase of this project. It's called Exastack Optimized, and that will actually afford us the opportunity to bring the F5 solutions into an actual data center, the Oracle Solution Center in Menlo Park, California, and actually go through and use our technology and see what kind of performance benefits that we can gain marrying up F5 and the Exastack technologies.
So would it be more a verification type process? So I guess to better understand, we're already verified.
We're verified.
The next step is more performance related.
Yeah, so you could think of it as qualitative versus quantitative.
Gotcha.
And so now we're going to the quantitative, and of course that's going to require more investment, more time, more engineering effort on both Oracle's part and F5's part. But we're well positioned to do that. For years we've had F5 technology in the Oracle Solution Centers, so we're already there. In fact, lots of customers use us every day for proof of value projects that they do with Oracle in those solution centers. But now we get to be the ones that go in there and actually do that.
And then after the performance testing, what does that then mean?
Well, at that point, then we will earn the Exastack Optimized credential, and we have a tremendous proof point to go to market because Oracle's putting a big push behind these engineered systems. It's front and center to all of the keynotes that are being presented here. And Oracle firmly is behind the idea of engineered systems provide better performance, better end user experience. And guess what? That's the same way that F5 is. We build engineered systems. Big IP hardware platform, TMOS, and then the software modules that we license and activate and run on those platforms.
So I've noticed you've been quite busy this week, and so I was curious about your impressions of the overall show.
Sure, yeah, the show has been fantastic. You know, this is my third Oracle OpenWorld, and every year that we see more and more customers who are coming here saying, you know what, F5, you're a trusted advisor. I've got this challenge in my data center. I'm not certain if you have something that can help, but then they come in and they ask us, say, you know, I saw that you had to do solutions around Golden Gate. And then we sit down with them, we talk through it, and then they walk away going, yeah, that's what we need to do. We need to take our F5s and apply it to that business challenge.
And that's the one thing I've noticed this week, and you know, being an F5er, I kind of knew it all along. But once you're immersed in it, you know, throughout this entire week, one of the things I've commented on is how in most previous years, a lot of the integration has been with LTM. And now it's really spread amongst all of our solutions, APM and OAM, the ASM Web Application Firewall, and the Oracle Database Firewall.
Even WAN Optimization Manager.
And Golden Gate.
Golden Gate, yeah. And we can't forget about another one of Oracle's engineered systems, and that's the ZFS storage appliance with ARX.
Yep.
So, yeah, I mean, we very carefully align our go-to-market with Oracle's go-to-market. So in this booth, as I'm sure you've shown our viewers already, we have solution kiosks for applications, middleware, database, servers, and storage.
Great stuff, Ron.
All right.
And so thanks for joining us yet again.
Thanks so much.
It's always good to have you on camera. And so for Ron, Jonathan behind the lens there.
Jonathan.
I'm Peter, and we all are with F5. Thanks for watching.